Hey, it's Trad with my company, Team Racing and Development. We're here at SEMA 2021, and I was able to get to build the truck for WD-40. WD-40 came to me and they wanted something that they could bring to SEMA and sell product out of. And I had seen these old trucks that they had back in the day. They made them for telephone companies like Bell, and they had a utility bed on the back. So I had showed them that, and it brought the inspiration on for the build. And they had never made a dually. Well, at least I've never seen one of these converted into a dually. So we made it a dually, custom utility bed on the back that they can open up and sell product out of. It's got a Curry Dana 60 low pinion housing, and then it's got a 383 stroker, about 525 horsepower, and a 4L60 transmission. So it goes pretty good. Holley actually hooked us up a lot. We have the Holley Sniper EFI kit. It's actually the complete master kit, so it's their fuel pump, everything. I got the Hyperspark distributor, the ignition, the coil, literally everything. It was definitely a true plug and play. We bolted this thing on, and it fired up immediately and ran great. I was actually really surprised. So I was actually pretty pumped on that. It's paint, and it actually feels like rust. So my buddy Rocky painted it. He's out of Wisconsin, and he killed it on the paint. It definitely feels like rust.